finally. I go to school by bus. I go to school sincerely. I go to school with my friend. I go to school finally. I go to school on foot. I go to school by running. I go to school by walking. I go to school by play. I go to school on time. I go to school completely. I go to school in time. Every day. I go to school on Sunday. I go to school hopefully. I go to school peacefully. I go to Sunday. I go to school sometimes. I go to school in time. I go to school carefully. I go to school by bus. I go to sincerely. I go to school with my friend. I go to school on finally. I go to school on foot.
I go to school by running.
I go to school by walking.
I go to school timely. I go to school confidently.
I go to school every day. I go to school on Sunday. I go to school.
I go to school timely.
I go to school sometimes. I go to school definitely. School by bus. I go to school carefully. I go to school sincerely. I go to school with my friends. I go to school finally. I go to school on foot. I go to school by running. I go to school by walking. I go to school timely. I go to school on time. I go to school in time. I go to school every day. I go to school on Sunday. I go to school peacefully. I go to school suddenly. I go to school sometimes. I go to school definitely. I go to school bravely. I go to school for learning. I go to school on foot. I go to school confidently. I go to school on Sunday. I go to school hopefully. I go to school peacefully. I go to school on time. I go to school confidently. I go to school in time. I go to school every day. I go to school by running. I go to school by walking. I go to school timely. I go to school hopefully. I go to school sincerely. I go to school with my friend. I go to school finally. I go to school for earning knowledge. I go to school carefully. I go to school by bus.
আগে হাসতে হবে, হাসার পরে পড়া দিতে হবে। আগে একটা হাসি চাই। হ্যাঁ, এবার পড়েন।
I am, we are, you are, they are, he, she. I was, we are, you are, they are, he was, she was. I will be, you will be, they will be, he will be, she will be.
মাশাআল্লাহ, জোরে তালি। ও আল্লাহ গো, কি বিপদ! একজনকে 6 জন ঘিরে ধরেছে। Let's start.
What did you learn? I learned English. Why did you learn? I learned it because it's important. Why did you learn? I learned it in my home. How did you learn? I learned it attentively. What did you win? I won a match. Where did you win? I won it in a stadium. Where did you win? I won last year. Why did you win? I won because our player played well. What did you ask? I asked some questions. Where did you ask? I asked in a viva. When did you ask? I asked yesterday. Why did you ask? I asked because I'm an examiner.
Where did you write?
I wrote in my home.
When did you write?
I wrote in the morning.
Why did you write?
I wrote because it was important.
What did you catch?
I caught a ball.
Where did you catch?
I caught in the field.
When did you catch?
I caught in the morning.
Why did you catch?
I caught because I had to win the match.
What did you draw?
I drew a picture.
When did you draw?
I drew in the morning.
Where did you draw?
I drew in my home.
Why did you draw?
I drew because it was my hobby.
He's gardening. He's arriving. He's asking. He's acting. He's watching. He's dreaming. He's practicing. He's whipping. He's running. He's waiting. He's learning. He's learning. He's sketching. He's correcting. He's cleaning. He's driving. He's dancing. He's changing. He's covering. He's collecting. He's managing. He's sponsoring. He's deciding. He's delivering. He's decorating. He's coloring. He's cancelling. He's sending. He's saving. He's swimming.
He's writing. He's branding. He's finding. He's binding.
He's dominating. He's playing. He's mopping.
He's mocking.
He's putting. He's driving. He's editing. He's posting. He's teaching. He's dancing.
He's eating. He's counting.
He's going. He's printing.
He's jumping.
He's looking. He's cycling.
He's reading. He's clicking. He's printing.
He's fighting. He's shooting.